YouTubers, today is Thursday. We're going to try and install the Discreet winch bumper for the front of the Land Rover Discovery 4. I'll try and record as much as I can, and yeah, let's see if we can get it done before a job comes in. Okay, let's go. Right, nearly done. Just to show you now that we've got the spacer in, we've got the crash sensor bracket that will go on there, and the space goes in there, and that will give us enough clearance from the aircon and water rad. Still awkward. For a lot of messing about, and these stupid corner bolts, it's on. Time to open up the winch. Is this the synthetic or the steel? Because I've got two. This is going to be the steel, the one I don't want. There we go. This is what I had on the Ford Transit GT06, and it was a hell of a winch, so let's go. But first, I may as well put the solenoid box on. How you doing? Eh? What? No. You keep your eyes off. You keep your eyes off. Hey? Ah, you little bugger. Okay. So far, so good. Winch is now on. Wires are on to a degree, but I don't know how I'm mounting the box just yet. But I also need to feed these wires over to the other side. So I'm hoping I can get some way of putting them around here. Then I can use my isolator button and then another set of cables, bang, straight up to the top. And the good news is temporarily, if I haven't got any cables spare, I can actually use them off the other winch that I've got as well for now. But yeah, now I've got to try and fathom out where this box is going and then try and get the bumper on and then find out where I've got a cutting chop to make sure that the fair lead roller goes on nicely. But also, is this spacer going to help me maybe to a degree to keep it spaced out that little bit? I'm not sure. But yeah, that's where I'm at the moment. So let's see what happens. It's Friday. I'm in the workshop. Can't be bothered. Need to get some videos edited. Can't be bothered. Land Rover Discovery's doing my head in. I'm literally so close now that I've had to be an absolute sheer animal on that bumper to make it fit because of all this. I've got a bad back. Bloody got the freaking on, the emergency stop start. Still got to find somewhere to put the temperature sensor, I think it is, or the air sensor, whatever you call it. And somewhere to put that box a bit better. And if I can use the remote, the cable lead, that would be a bonus, but I'm not going to cry if I can't. But it's a bit of a faff, I'm not going to lie. It's just awkward and I haven't got patience left. So let's roll on for today, and we need to get this done. We need to get this done because I got hell a lot of videos that I need to edit and get uploaded for you to watch. So let's see what happens. Bang! There we go. Do. Bam! That'll do. So that is the Discovery 4 Discreet winch mount bumper installed, all ready to rock and roll. I just need a job for it. So if you do need a little winch out and you're somewhere around Staffordshire, do give me a call and I'll come straight out to you at no cost.
Also, just to wrap up on the video, the Jeep XJ competition, the tickets are just nearing 250 sold. It is buy one, get one free, which is running until the end of the draw, which is literally like 4 days. Is it 4 days? Yeah, 4 days. And somebody's going to be winning that Jeep. So make sure you get onto the Facebook site, GDB Rescue and Recovery. Look at the pinned post on the top of the page. Choose your number from 1 to 500. It is buy one, get one free. Send a message saying comp or competition. Tell me what number or numbers you would like, or a lucky dip. Make sure you put in your mobile phone number as well, because on the 1st of March 2023, somewhere between probably 6 and 7 o'clock on the live draw, I'm going to be calling 3 of you. First person gets the Jeep XJ. The second person gets £1,000, and the third person gets £500. But what I'm probably going to do to ramp it round a little bit, we're going to start off with drawing the third prize first, the second prize second, and then the first prize first. Does that make sense? We're going to go from bottom to top, basically. But yeah, if you've not got your tickets, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity on my channel to give you the best chances to win something. This is a genuine competition. This is all off my own back. I'm not doing another raffle anytime soon. £25 a ticket. It's buy one, get one free. No more than 14 entries maximum on the whole of the entry. So you can buy 7, get 7 free. Yeah, there's not long left. So get them tickets in. Somebody's going to be winning. 3 of you are going to be winning. So yeah, tickets are just about half sold. 4 days left. Got to be in it to win it. Better chances on here than any other website on the internet. Better chance on here than you've ever got to win in the postcode lottery as well. So, is what it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Next set of videos are the Ford F450 walk around, and the one after that is going to be the world's first. Some of you are going to love it. Some of you are probably going to hate it. There's going to be a lot of talk on this world's first video, but hey, I'm ready for it. And as long as you're watching the videos, it doesn't really matter. But thanks for watching. It's Mr. GDB over and out, and I will see you on the next one. Let's go.